Find the exact value of sec of 5 pi by 6. So first of all, recognizing that sec of 5 pi by 6 is equal to 1 over cos of 5 pi by 6. Now cos of 5 pi by 6, which quadrant are we in 5 pi by 6? We are over in quadrant 2, where this angle is pi by 6, but that's the sine quadrant. So this is the same as 1 over, well, minus cos of pi by 6, which is the same as minus 1 over cos of pi by 6 is equal to root 3 over 2. So this is equal to minus 1 over root 3 over 2. That's the reciprocal of root 3 over 2, so that's 2 over root 3, which when we rationalize is minus 2 root 3 over 3.